So what is up guys, welcome to HUT Tech and Motivation YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So guys, first of all, you have seen today's video's title and thumbnail that you are getting like AirPods Pro, the latest product from Apple for under 6,000 rupees or for 5,300 Indian rupees. Again, I know that you are also excited for checking this product out, and I too am. First of all, let me tell you, I have not purchased this product, but I was searching a lot from couple of days regarding this product, that from where we can get the clones. And just basically in today's video I'm going to be providing you the best quality or the one-to-one replica, as if for now the best of its kind. And today's video is going to be very interesting, so if you like to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem, then consider subscribing to our channel. And without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, first of all, let me tell you about this product. Well, I have made my AirPods Pros, the India problem kind of video, in which I have discussed like the pricing of like 25,000 Indian rupees for a pair of earbuds is not at all good. And in that video I have discussed that like the thing which is going to be selling like crazy are the clones of the AirPods, and that stands true to this point, because guys, today I found the best deal possible for this AirPods clone. And guys, let me tell you, like, what is clone? Well, when the first AirPod was launched, clones were little off that design, but now you're seeing one-to-one design, same features and everything. Even now the clones have the H1 and the W1 chip in them for the smooth pairing process just found in the original ones. So that's pretty great. Like every company, the clone company is trying its level best to make a perfect one-to-one replica, and they stand to this stage even. So guys, in today's video, let me show you, as you can see on the screen, this is a little small unboxing video which I found online regarding this product. Again, these AirPods, I am not going to be buying it, but I have observed all the ratings and stars and comments regarding this product, and everybody's loving it. And also, like, this is the only place where I found it to be mentioned. And like, again, 5,300 is still too much for a clone Apple product. But let me tell you, like, most of you guys actually don't really care about all of the great features. You want to have similar design and you can sacrifice a little bit of audio quality, then definitely these are the ones to go for. Again, you are getting the smooth pairing process, you also get the W1 chip with it, so it's great to see. All the package you're getting with this is incredible. And also the box is matching, and everything is just similar to the original ones. So if you want to buy this, you can buy it in the first link given in the description box. It was hard for me to find, and again, this is not at all a sponsored video. And guys, I want to give you the best of the best. And like with the AirPods 2 even, the more the clones have sold, like the TWS, the i11s, the i12s, the i30s, the i60s, like the clones have started its variations, and those are selling like crazy. So guys, these are the latest clones regarding the AirPods Pro, and if you want to buy them, you can purchase it from the given link. Again, this is not at all an affiliated link or just not at all a sponsored video. I wanted to share with you the original content, and just if you're interested, you can go for them. So like today's video, if you like to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem, then consider subscribing to our channel. And if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a like, and also leave a comment that what are your thoughts, and do you see like the clone products as an option to purchase rather than spending 25,000 Indian rupees for the original ones. So like today's video, and I will meet you with another beautiful video.